This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Zoho email. First, select a Zoho mail plan that aligns with your requirements. Next, either sign up for a new Zoho account or log in if you already have one. Finally, verify your domain ownership to ensure your email hosting is correctly configured. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth transition and getting your email service online quickly. Once your domain is verified, you can begin adding users and setting up their mailboxes. Navigate to the control panel to add each person who needs an email address. Create a unique mailbox for every user or department, ensuring everyone has their own space. Remember to assign suitable roles and permissions, giving users the right level of access within your organization. Configuring your DNS records is a vital step for proper email functionality. You will need to update your MX records to point to Zoho servers, ensuring all incoming mail reaches its destination. Additionally, add SPF records to help prevent email spoofing, and set up DKIM records for enhanced email authentication. These steps significantly improve your email's deliverability and security. With everything set up, you can now access and use your Zoho mail. Log in through the web interface for a full-featured experience, or configure your preferred desktop or mobile email client using the provided IMAP or POP settings. Don't forget to explore Zoho Mail's integrated features, such as calendars, tasks, and notes, to maximize your productivity and streamline your daily workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.